Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. In today's video, I'm sharing a simple and effective pocket option trading strategy using two indicators. This video is for those of you who've been asking for a strategy featuring the Alligator indicator. Your requests inspired this content. I'll explain the settings for both indicators later in the video, so be sure to watch till the end to understand everything clearly. Skipping parts of the video might cause confusion, and you could miss important details. Let's dive in. Risk warning. Trading binary options involves significant financial risk, and you can lose money. Past performance does not guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Results may vary, and there is no guarantee of profit. Always trade responsibly, never risk money you can't afford to lose, and do your own research before making decisions. Trading rules for this strategy. Sell trade. The three lines of the Alligator indicator must cross over and appear in this order. Blue line at the top, yellow line in the middle, red line at the bottom. F, the super trend indicator, gives a sell signal near a higher price level. You can take a sell trade with a 1-minute expiry. Buy trade. The three lines of the Alligator indicator must cross over and appear in this order. Red line at the top, yellow line in the middle, blue line at the bottom. F, the super trend indicator, gives a buy signal near a lower price level. You can take a buy trade with a 1-minute expiry. Additional tips. Use a 5-second candle time frame and 1-minute expiry time for this strategy. This is a reversal trading strategy, so avoid trading against strong trends. The best trading times are during the European and New York sessions. When there's a high or medium impact news event, avoid trading 30 minutes before and 45 minutes after the event. Now let's see this strategy in action with live examples. Watch carefully so you understand how to apply it step by step. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future strategies. All right, traders, let's get started. Here's a setup for a sell trade. The market has met all the conditions for this strategy. The Alligator indicator lines have aligned as required. The blue line is on top. The yellow line is in the middle. The red line is at the bottom. In addition, the super trend indicator has confirmed the sell signal, giving us the green light to take a sell trade with the specified conditions. Before trying this strategy on a real account, make sure to practice it on a demo account. This will help you gain confidence and understand the setup better. Only switch to a real account once you feel fully prepared and comfortable with the strategy. Let's now wait and see how this trade plays out. This trade was a win. Now let's take a closer look at the settings for the two indicators used in this strategy, the Alligator indicator and the super trend indicator. First of all, look at the settings of Alligator indicator. Jaws period 14, Jaws shift 8, Teeth period 8, Teeth shift 5, Lips period 5, and Lips shift 3. Now let's look at the settings of super trend indicator, ATR period 10 and multiplier 3. For this strategy, we focus only on the signals from the super trend indicator. To make the chart cleaner, set the line width to opacity so that the line is hidden and only the signals are visible. Now that we've covered the indicator settings, let's move on to the next trade and see this strategy in action again. Here's a buy trade setup that matches our strategy perfectly. The conditions are all met. The Alligator indicator lines are aligned as required. The red line is on top. The yellow line is in the middle. The blue line is at the bottom. The super trend indicator has confirmed the buy signal, giving us a clear indication to take a buy trade under the specified conditions. This is a great opportunity for you to share your requests. Let me know in the comments which strategy you'd like to see in the next video. I'll be happy to create content based on your suggestions. Now, let's wait for the trade results to see how it plays out. We've won this trade. Let's review why this was a perfect sell trade setup according to our strategy. The Alligator indicator lines were aligned as required. The blue line is on top. The yellow line is in the middle. The red line is at the bottom. The super trend indicator confirmed the sell signal, giving us the green light to take the trade with confidence. What makes this trade even more special is that the market was in a downtrend, and trading with the trend often increases the chances of success. However, It's important to remember that binary trading outcomes are unpredictable, and no strategy guarantees a win every time. This strategy helps identify potential setups, but results can vary based on market conditions. Let's move forward and see how the next trade plays out. We've won this trade. This shows how effective the strategy can be when applied correctly. Let's continue analyzing the market and look for more setups that match our trading rules. Here's a setup for a sell trade. The market has met all the conditions for this strategy. The alligator indicator lines have aligned as required. The blue line is on top. The yellow line is in the middle. The red line is at the bottom. In addition, the super trend indicator has confirmed the sell signal, giving us the green light to take a sell trade with the specified conditions. To stay safe, always start by testing this strategy on a demo account. Practicing on a demo account helps you refine your skills without risking real money. Let's now wait and see how this trade plays out. We've lost this trade. This reminds us that no one can predict the market and no strategy can work 100% of the time. It's important to stay realistic and disciplined while trading. Binary options trading can be exciting, but it's also risky if you're not careful. Let me share 5 common mistakes to avoid so you can trade smarter. Mistake number 1: trading without a strategy. If you're guessing instead of planning, you're gambling, not trading. Build a strategy, test it on a demo account, and stick to it. Second mistake: overtrading. Taking too many trades in one day can lead to emotional decisions. Remember, it's not about quantity, it's about quality. Mistake 3: ignoring risk management. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. Protect your capital. It's your lifeline. Number 4: trading during major news events. Volatility can be unpredictable. Use an economic calendar and avoid trading when big announcements are scheduled. And finally, mistake 5: not reviewing your trades. Keep a journal. Write down why you entered each trade, the results, and what you learned. Analyze and improve. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll trade smarter and improve over time. Remember, binary options are risky, so always stay disciplined. That's it for today, traders. Make sure to practice and master this strategy on a demo account before moving to real trading. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your fellow traders. Your support helps the channel grow, and I'll keep creating more content for you. Good luck on your trading journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, and happy trading.